Hi everyone, Connor here from Team Blockdaemon, and today we are presenting a tutorial designed to show you the process of staking Ethereum within the Blockdaemon wallet. To do this, an Ethereum staking plan needs to have been set up by your Blockdaemon representative so that you have ETH staking enabled in your wallet. If you don't have an ETH staking plan, be sure to reach out to Blockdaemon today. To begin the staking process, first access the Blockdaemon wallet. Then select the account from which you want to stake your ETH from. Please note you will need a minimum of 32 ETH plus enough ETH to cover gas fees to stake. The next step is to navigate to the ellipsis to the right of your account where you will be presented with a menu. From this menu, you will need to select Stake Asset. You are now presented with a Stake Asset window which requires some fields to be completed. The first field is the asset you'll be staking, in this case ETH, followed by From, which is the account you'll be staking that asset from. Next is the Withdraw To and Fee Recipient fields. Please note that the Withdraw To and Fee Recipient fields default to your account address. The Withdrawal To Address section, as a general rule, will be the address which will control the principal staked balance on the validator, and where all withdrawal and validator rewards will go to. When you exit the validator, the principal will go to this address, and all of your generated validator rewards will be swept into this address on an ongoing basis over time. The fee recipient address, which also defaults to your account address, is where you will receive MEV and block rewards. Depending on your account balance, you need to ensure that under the crypto amount field, 32 ETH or multiples of 32 ETH is inputted. The fee rate can change to either low, medium, high, or custom. The default setting is medium. Once you've confirmed all the details, click Stake. When you do this, you'll be presented with a green button at the top of your account screen which states Confirm Operation in App. By clicking Stake and initiating the staking operation, you are the confirmer of the stake intent. As a confirmer, you are responsible for initiating the confirmation process by sending a confirmation request to the Blockdaemon Wallet Approval app on your iOS device. However, the Blockdaemon wallet can be configured to skip this confirmation process. You as a customer have the option to include additional approvals with multiple parties, and this is governed in the Policies section of the wallet. Navigate to the Blockdaemon Wallet app on your iOS device, and you will see a pending confirmation notification. Tap the arrow to the right next to Stake Asset within the app. You will now be taken to the confirmation page to stake your ETH. Double check all of the details are correct and then tap the Confirm button in the bottom right hand corner. You will now be asked to input your PIN to approve the operation. You will then be shown a Stake Asset Confirmed page within the app. Then just tap Done on the screen. Now navigate back to your Blockdaemon wallet. Select Transaction History in the left-hand menu. You will see at the top of your screen the transaction that you have just approved. The status field should show a yellow button with the text Broadcasting. Within a few moments, this button will turn to green and show you the message Completed. Now, navigate to the account that you stake your assets from. The top of the screen will display your current account balance. Below this, you'll see your staked assets balance, which includes the principal that you staked denominated in a dollar amount, any pending rewards, and the total balance, which is the two fields combined. Below that section, you will see further information regarding your staked assets. To the left, you will see a number. That is your validator index. Then to the right, it shows LTV, which stands for Lifetime Rewards, the amount of rewards over time that your validator has generated. To the right of this, it shows your total balance denominated in ETH, including rewards. Then next to this, the actual dollar value of your staked assets. Then lastly, the activation date of your validator and its current status. Next to the current status field, you'll see an ellipsis which gives you options as to how to manage your validator. You have the option to withdraw asset and get address. If you wish to withdraw assets from the validator, you can click this option and you'll be presented with your existing withdrawal address and a confirmation that you wish to proceed to withdraw your funds. To view your accumulated rewards over time, you can navigate to Transaction History in the left-hand menu, and under Transaction Type, you will see whether it is a reward or a withdraw. So you can check at any time the accrued rewards your validator is generating. And that's it. You're now equipped to stake Ethereum within the Blockdaemon wallet, fully understanding the process from start to finish. You've seen how to navigate the interface, stake your assets, and monitor your transaction. Once you've familiarized yourself with the process, you can confidently manage your digital assets and maximize their potential. Remember to check back on Blockdaemon's YouTube channel for more tutorials and insights into the world of blockchain. Until then, we wish you a successful and rewarding staking journey.